guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jennyfer Ross, and in today's video I have an announcement to make. And no, I am not pregnant. I am not doing anything to prevent myself from getting pregnant, but at this moment, no, I'm not pregnant. A baby is on the planning, so that might be a video very soon, hopefully. The announcement that I have for you guys is that I have recently been asked to become part of a TV show. It is an Antillian TV show, and yeah, I'm really excited about this whole thing. And yeah, that made me realize that without you guys this would not have been happening. So what is this show about? This show is called Psychic. Let's just start with that. It is a show in which we try to share a positive perspective of Black Antillian people in Europe. My job in this show is to create 15 minutes of beauty every single Sunday. And yeah, I will be doing makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, everything that I can come up with. They let me be very free with the content that I want to put out. So yeah, that's really amazing. And eventually I think it is a goal of mine to do TV, do YouTube full time. So this is an amazing opportunity. If you guys weren't watching my videos, if you guys wouldn't, like, you know, let me be me on my channel and appreciate the content that I put out there, then this opportunity would never have come to me. So yeah, thank you guys so much for that. I really am thankful. The show is in Papiamentu, and it will be every single Sunday in Holland. So if you live in Holland, you can actually watch it. It will be on RTV 7 at 7 o'clock every single Sunday, and it's called Psychic. So if you want to watch it, then yeah, be sure to watch it. If you live in the Caribbean, if you live in Curacao, or if you understand Papiamentu, you can still watch the show because the producer uploads the episode every single Sunday after the TV show on Facebook. And you can find us there on Psychic TV. So make sure you watch it, check it out if you want. And yeah, for my English subscribers, I will try my best to, you know, edit the parts that I do on the show into English, so you guys can watch it and, you know, go with me on this journey. So yeah, that's it. I want to thank you guys. I'm very thankful. I can't believe this is happening. It may not be a big deal to a lot of people, but to me it is, because like the Antillian community is huge here in the Netherlands, especially. By the way, nothing is gonna change on my channel. I will continue to upload videos every single week, so don't worry about that. I just wanted to come here and say thank you to you guys. And yeah, let's just wrap this up, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye guys!